O-Cademy. Make learning a journey to self-discovery. Let distance and age not be a limitation to your learning or teaching. Reinvent yourself with the best e-learning platform to learn and earn. Learn and earn uninterrupted. Be as a student or as a professional, learning lays the foundation for an amazing future. O-Cademy gives you the best e-learning platform with a wonderful blend of technology to learn and enhance your skill set to head on with a bright career. O-Cademy offers a learning space for every subject matter with courses that are curated by the best educators across the globe. It lets you access the best online courses on the latest subject matters on a single platform. For educators, O-Cademy gives you the opportunity to reach out to a student base all across the globe, thereby increasing your earning ability. With a platform that offers courses on all subject matters, you can present your courses that you are best in to get the maximum response. O-Cademy's interactive platform is powered by the latest artificial intelligence technology and is designed to be the leader in its niche. Be it as a leader or a tutor, O-Cademy gives you the advantage of enhancing your skills or earning without disrupting your usual life. For a full list of facts and questions, please visit www.onpassive.com. This is Robert Tantullo, your fellow legacy leader, Onpassive leader, and proud founder.